Hello world, Anonymous here. Welcome to my channel, back with a new video, a new lesson. If you are new to my channel, then I will request you to see first the previous videos. I will give those in the I button, or else you will not understand anything in this video, so don't skip anything. So without any further delay, let's start the topic. So today's topic is SNMP enumeration. SNMP enumeration. SNMP Simple Network Management Protocol is an application layer protocol which uses UDP protocol to maintain and manage routers, hubs and switches other network devices on an IP network. SNMP is a very common protocol found enabled on a variety of operating systems like Windows Server, Linux, and Unix servers, as well as network devices like routers, switches, etc. SNMP enumeration is used to enumerate user accounts, passwords, groups, system names, devices on a target system. It consists of three major components. Managed device. A managed device is a device or a host technically known as a node, which has the SNMP service enabled. These devices could be routers, switches, hubs, bridges, computers, etc. SNMP agent. An agent can be thought of as a piece of software that runs on a managed device. Its primary job is to convert the information into SNMP compatible format for the smooth management of the network using SNMP protocol. Network Management System (NMS). These are the software systems that are used for monitoring of the network devices. MIB. Management Information Base. MIB provides a standard representation of SNMP agents' available information and where it is stored. Traps. Traps let the SNMP manager know about activities of SNMP agent. Activity might be reboot, device failure, or any other suspicious activity. SNMP architecture. Image source. http://alvarez.me/blog/posts/understanding SNMP and net snmp.html. An agent running on every SNMP device will be providing access to a read and writable database. The database is referred to as the Management Information Base, MIB, which is organized hierarchically and is a virtual database containing a formal description of all the network objects identified by a specific object identifier void that can be managed using SNMP. It's a giant repository of values and settings. There is a manager involved in the process, and the manager will query the agent for various details. Community strings is a text string used to authenticate communications between the management stations and network devices on which SNMP agents are hosted. Community strings travel in clear text over the network, hence are subject to network sniffing attacks. Community strings are sent with every network packet exchanged between the node and management station. Two types of community strings. Read-only. This mode permits querying the device and reading the information, but does not permit any kind of changes to the configuration. The default community string for this mode is public. Read-write. In this mode, changes to the device are permitted. Hence, if one connects with this community string, we can even modify the remote device's configurations. The default community string for this mode is private. When the community strings are left at the default settings, attackers take the opportunity and find the loopholes in it. SNMP enumeration tools. OpUtils Network Monitoring Toolset. http://www.manageengine.com. SolarWinds. Best SNMP enumeration tool. www.solarwinds.com. Command line tools. SNMP walk. SNMP check. Countermeasures. Remove or disable SNMP agents on hosts. Block port 161 at all perimeter network access devices. Restrict access to specific IP addresses. Use SNMP v3 more secure. Implement the group policy security option called additional restrictions for anonymous connections. Access to null session pipes, null session shares, and IPsec filtering should also be restricted. SNMP util. SNMP Util is a command line tool which gathers Windows user accounts information via SNMP in Windows system. Information such as routing tables, ART tables, IP addresses, MAC addresses, TCP/UDP open ports, user accounts and shares can be obtained using this tool. Syntax: C:\\greater than SNMP util open brace get bar walk bar get next. Machine name, open brace object identifier, get. This command gets the value of the requested object identifier. Get next. This command gets the value of the next object that follows the specified object identifier. Walk. You use this command is used to step through, walk, the management information base, MIB, branch that is specified by the object identifier. Object identifier. It specifies branch of MIB as defined in SNMP protocol. They are long, clumsy number which are really very difficult to remember. They all have their string equivalent but even they are hard to remember. Following is list of string values. Aren't they hard to remember? Therefore I would not recommend this tool to anyone, because remembering all those stuff is damn difficult. We have an excellent graphical tool instead of this tool. I'll better advise you to opt it. Example: C:\greater than SNMP util.exe walk 192.22.0.svsvctable.svsvcentry.svsvcname. This will list services. IP Network Browser. IP Network Browser is tool from SolarWinds Engineers toolset. It is graphical tool and can be easily used for SNMP enumeration. SolarWinds Engineers toolset. IP Network Browser. I think there is no need to explain working of IP Network Browser because it is damn easy to use. In upcoming post we will cover defenses against SNMP enumeration. Till then, don't forget to let us know about your views on this post, and ask if you have any difficulty. Let's stop here for today. Hope you liked the video, then PLZ share it. If you are new to my channel, the PLZ subscribe my channel. You can follow an on Instagram account, link is in the description. Also you can join our WhatsApp group. The link is also on my description. Thank you and goodbye.